Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. This is Mazharul Islam. I am a student of Sherpur Golf College. Now I am studying honors second year, and also I am taking or doing a 1 year English course at Astonai Skill Development Institute. This place is situated in Dhaka, Badda Shatarkul. Now I am staying by the a beautiful pond. We say this pond, say beach in this place because this pond made by sand. This ground or place one time it was all whole water. It was covered by it was water, and the authority of Swadesh Properties gave sand and made this pond. It was a beautiful pond, and we swim in this pond few days after, and we enjoy to swim in this pond. Thank you for listening. Assalamu alaikum.